You refuse, say, you refuse, say, you refuse to lose me. You refuse, say, you refuse to lose me. Yeah.
Good afternoon, good afternoon. I hope all is well with everybody. I want to kind of show you guys a simple way to make a ribbon. From time to time, you guys will see me add videos from the design or arts and crafts sector and putting it on my community feed. Go ahead and subscribe. No, you don't have to say I sent you. I like to remain just, you know, from the heart. So we're going to need, I have this wire, which I see now that they are calling plumber wire. I have this ribbon. This is 9 and 9. It says 9 feet wire edged ribbon. I don't see 9 feet, but okay. So these and scissors. These are the three things that we're going to be using. And what we're going to do is we're going to start. We're going to fold. It depends on what size you want your bow. I'm not trying to. I'm not trying to use the whole row. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's $1, but I would like to get more than one bow out of it, if that makes sense. So we're gonna fold. That's one. We're gonna fold. That's two. We're gonna fold. That's three. I'm going to try to get into some natural hairstyles. Just bear with me. I think that's four. I might be off by counting because I'm talking, but I want to get into some natural hairstyles and stuff like that. Things that I use in my hair, and I'm gonna do those things. Basket. So fold again. I'm just gonna fold until I feel comfortable. Let's say that. I'm gonna fold again, and we're gonna fold again. And you do the same. Fold until you're comfortable. And so I think that's okay for me. And it is a little bigger than I wanted it to be, but it's okay. So I'm gonna cut it. I'm going to cut it this way because I'm not sure which part is going to be the tail yet, but we'll see. So, yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and even it out. In fact, I'm going to re-roll it for you guys. Again, this is the ribbon with the wire in it, and I got this particular ribbon from Dollar Tree. So, and you don't have to flip this side, do this side. So I really, really enjoyed this. I didn't have to do a whole lot of work. I didn't have to, you didn't need 2 or 3 colors. Again, it's up to you. And, you go from there. So you're going to fold again. And you keep folding again until you're comfortable, until you feel like you have enough to make the bow that your heart desires. You're going to fold again. Make sure y'all check out the community tab because I do share people's content or videos. Let's go look. Yeah, let's go here. And this is probably should have did it a little longer. I wonder if I can do it like this. Maybe. Let's see. I think I could. So we're gonna do that. This is actually looking like it's gonna be different layers, and it's fine. No, it's not. I don't like it like that. It happens. I don't. That's not the way. So, but yeah. So, and like I said, I don't. I don't plan on using the whole row for one ribbon. That's just not what I want to do. And so, kind of resized it without resizing it. Just roll it. Yeah. You can even go here. Because it's okay to have to do it over to get it to where you want it to be. So I'm gonna keep going. Yes. Okay. There we go. There we go. There we go. And it's not gonna be a very big bow because the basket isn't big. So I don't want to overpower. It's cute to have a bow, but I think that it's also important that your basket, is visible. I don't like for people to come over to the basket and I gotta move this around and do this around so that they can see the things that are Okay, that's much better. Much, much better. I like that. I like that. So this is the way I ended up. And that's cool. So I'm gonna simply even it out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and cut it. I'm going to do maybe a fourth. And I'm going to cut it like sideways. Maybe a little bit more. See, I did that. Cut it like that. And then I'm going to go the other way. I'm going to do the same, but it's going to go. Remember, it's wire in here, so. But this is the best scissors I got. And I really shouldn't be using these because this scissors go with something else. But it should be okay. So, there you go. You got this and you got this. You got it to go like this. Right? So now I'm going to take, like I said, I found that the people in the community call this plumber wire. So I'm going to take the wire and I'm going to pull it back. You see how everything gets pulled back? I thought this was really cute, y'all. I don't care. She changed the game, and I do feel like she should get more acknowledgement. Again, I don't remember her name, but I am and I will share her on the community tab to let you guys know where to, because Subway, you may find it easier with her being that I had to, recut and stuff like that. So you see how we have it here, right? So I'm not going to cut it yet until I'm finished kind of tightening it up until, tighten it to where I need it to be. Then I'm going to open it up. This is so cool to me. Even though it's my first time and it's going to take time for me to, stretch it out and do what I want to do with this particular bow to make it be what I want. I thought it was the best. Girl, you did this. Yes, you did. So you pull it out. Then you go to the other side and you pull it out. Same way. I'm telling y'all, I bet you guys, everybody will make bows just like this. I love it. This is the bomb. Thank you. Let me, I'm going to put it on a community board if I haven't done so already. I just feel like she really did this. I am never, ever going any other way with the bow. Trying to figure out my points. I may just add them, and I may not. This is everything. Y'all cannot tell me that this man. I like to have respect. I don't know if I'm the elder or she's the elder, but she really did this, y'all. I'm trying to still. Hold on. Listen, look. Y'all can't tell me that she did not do this bow. Now, like I said, this is my first time, and I think I did good for a first time. So, wow. I like it. I like it. So now what am I going to do for, I don't know, I might not even, okay, 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 okay. So I end up finding, okay, fair enough, fair enough, fair enough. You just got to toy with it, y'all. Like I said, I'm toying with it too because this is my first time, doing a bow like this. But I really enjoyed the video. I think it was straight and to the point, and I think that we could get a lot more work done with this kind of video. Like I'm excited. Like just go over there. I'm telling you guys, listen. I love it, and I appreciate her because listen. Let me see if I can pull this out this way. If I could pull this out, right, and bring out the other string to make, because you really don't, I mean, it depends. Okay, okay. 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 Wait a minute. I don't know how excited I am about this bow. Because you don't always have to have two strings to a bow either. Let's get that clear. And it looks like I probably won't. How about that? How about that? Let me see. If I can get this through here. And did. It did. Yep. Yes, I did. Okay. 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 Listen. I know we laughing. I know y'all laughing. I know I'm laughing, but I'm still loving it. I'm loving, 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 loving. I think it's cute. Like I said, you play with it until you get the bow that your heart desires. I'm going to probably leave mine here. I need to get him out a little bit more. Yeah, I'm going to probably leave mine here. And I'm going to, let's see. I seen where they folded it and they kind of cut it some kind of way. There we go. Absolutely. Absolutely. I'm excited. Y'all have no idea. Like, this was like, when I decided to get into baskets, I said, my struggle is going to be the bows. And now, no more. There we go. And that is my first bow. Let me know what you guys think. Leave your comments in the comment section. Again, we're going to get into doing some other things. We're going to get into the natural hairdos and stuff like that. Look at that, y'all. Y'all can't tell me I did not do that. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Catch you guys on the next one.